Having a safe recovery system on your Jeep Wrangler is vital when you're off-road. Today we're going to show you how to install this Factor 55 Black FlatLink onto the front of my 2012 JK Wrangler. To get this FlatLink installed, all you have to do is pull out the retention pin by removing the snap ring clip. Go ahead and slide your winch rope into it. Drop the pin back through, and then we'll put the snap ring back in. Go ahead and use a pair of snap ring pliers to get this into place. There's a small groove in there that you can feel, and that's where you want the snap ring to sit in. That way it holds that pin in there properly. The FlatLink is properly installed and it looks great on the front end of our Jeep. It really cleans it up, plus it's going to be a super safe recovery piece of equipment on your off-road rig. It folds nice and flush. There's a place for the D-ring to go on to give you that completely closed loop system. Now this is also available in a couple other colors and styles right here at cjponyparts.com. Hope you enjoyed that video. To stay up to date on our CJ Off-Road videos, make sure to subscribe up top here, and for any other installs, make sure to click the link right above.